Nothing in life is promised except death. If you have the opportunity to play this game of life, you need to appreciate every moment. A lot of people won't appreciate their moment until it passed. Those times when you stay up late, those times when you don't feel like working, you are too tired, you don't want to push yourself, but you do it anyway. That is the dream. That's the dream. It's not a destination. One of the first steps you can take to impose discipline in your life is to wake up early in the morning. When the alarm goes off, you got your head on the soft pillow. It's all nice and warm in there. You do not feel like getting up. You should not snooze the alarm. It is a dream killer. The reason most people fail is that they give up what they want most for what they want now. 95% of our decision makers are made by how you feel in the moment, and that is the problem. If you accept the fact that you may never feel ready, and you may never feel motivated, and you may never feel courageous, and that's okay, but you can still push yourself forward as you start to see yourself becoming a person that take action. The mind has a tactical advantage over you at all time. It knows you are afraid. It knows your insecurity. It knows your deep dark lies, and it starts to push you away from them. It pushes you in a comfortable direction. The mind controls everything. Think strategically all the time before you take any action or inaction. Ask yourself this question: is this going to make me stronger or weaker? Will this action move me to the strategic long-term goal I'm trying to achieve in my life? And do not lie to yourself. You have to tell the truth. The truth is you have time, you have skill, you have knowledge, the support and the willpower and the discipline to get it done.